How can I clean the filter on my Whirlpool Gold Quiet Partner 3? I'm getting small black flecks on the dishes following a cleaning cycle.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Do you have a full model number so that I can better assist you? It should be located on a sticker around the frame of the tub and can be seen if you open the door.
The model no. Is GU1200 XTKQ0.
Okay, perfect. Below is a link to a video that will show you how to clean out your disposal/sump screen and take your pump apart. Click here. In addition to that, you can run an empty cycle with a product called Dishwasher Magic, which will clean out your entire dishwasher including the drain lines, which I recommend doing once a year. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance.
I don't know if you received my last question or not, so I will repeat it. The video you directed me to is for a Kenmore Elite dishwasher. Mine is a Whirlpool Quiet Partner 3. Are the cleaning procedures the same? Tom.
Sorry I did not receive your reply before, but yes, the cleaning procedure is the same because Whirlpool makes this Kenmore Elite dishwasher as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.